Hi everyone, welcome to my review video for the BLK PODS 2 second generation. Alright, so first I want to start off by saying that I made this video only because I've seen numerous amounts of times that people have been getting scammed by certain websites, and so I just wanted to kind of be like the saving grace that it is totally worth it and totally fine. My boyfriend was actually the one that found these. He loves watching unboxing videos, so he ended up sending me the link, and when I opened it, which I will also link below, don't worry, they were doing a sale for buy one, get one 40% off. Now, mind you, by themselves, these are only $56. Two for $90. How could you beat that? Literally, how could you beat that? But obviously, given the price, one would be a little skeptical. I definitely was still a little skeptical, even though the reviews were wonderful. So long story short, the shipping said it could take about 2 weeks, and 1 week goes by and I see that they're already in. Wow, it was super fast. I have kind of commented back and forth with a few people. I've come to realize that it seems like people are getting scammed by the third generation BLK POD, which I haven't even heard of a third generation regular pod come out, so I kind of feel like that's common sense that the third definitely does not exist yet. And the only difference between the two, again, that I've read and realized is that there's a wireless charging port with a third, and which was supposed to come with this one, but it didn't. But they still give you like a small cable, which is totally, nice as it is. But yeah, like the charging port is really something that can be easily worked around. So let's get down to the actual review part. So as I said, yeah, so these took about a week to get in. I've had them for about a week now, and so let me try to explain this in the easiest way. I have never had AirPods before, so maybe some of the things that I'm surprised by are probably things that normal AirPods do. So I might sound silly, but anyways, so the physical charge of the case lasts a decent amount of time. I have only charged the physical case about twice this week, and the physical earpiece lasts about 2 to 3 hours of like heavy, constant listening. And the reason that I define that is because I'm talking about if you go to the gym, like, when I go, it's like a 2-hour window of constant listening, like constant using your Bluetooth. So the battery will kind of drain pretty quickly, but like I said, as soon as you put them back in the case, they charge up pretty fast. And then compared to like kind of a rest day or maybe a day that you're busy with classes, so I'm kind of listening to them on and off, they last me about like 3 to 4 hours, honestly. As I mentioned earlier, I have not had AirPods before, but I've watched plenty of comparison videos, and I've seen that people have said that like the bass is a lot weaker on these than it is with the normal AirPods. But then other than that, lots of people have said it's honestly very hard to tell the quality or tell the difference because the quality is so great. And I think the quality is great. I think the sound sounds great. Even the connection, if you're so far away from your phone, the connection is wonderful. I had to give this product a score out of 5. I would give it a 4.8 out of 5 just because the false advertisement with them telling me that it was going to come with a wireless port, but it didn't. But again, like I said earlier, it is so easy to use them still without the wireless charging port. I wanted to add that I would not look to get these for phone calls necessarily, more of just like working out, because in my opinion, the microphone does not sound very well, is like what I've seen compared to the normal AirPods. And just for you guys, I will do a small little test clip. So here you are. As you see, they're very small, normal size. They fit in your ear very nicely, and so they're not bulky and crazy at all. But yes, here you go. Testing 1, 2, 3. Here is the audio. So who knows, maybe from like the first time when I heard it, this will sound better, but this is what it sounds like. All right, well, that was my review for the BLK PODS second generation. Thank you for bearing with me. This is my first review, and I would like to continue doing reviews because I just want to share with the world what I wish I could hear before I buy certain products. So I felt like I covered a lot of information, but if there's any questions, let me know below. Again, in case you missed it in the beginning, I will link the actual website to use down below. Bye!